Hello, today I'd like to tell you something about the itch-scratch cycle in atopic dermatitis. So the itching starts somehow here along with the genetical predisposition, the barrier disturbance, but obviously also via the inflammation. And this leads to a release of pruritogens in the skin, which themselves activate nerve fibers, which are in the epidermis but also in the dermis. And these are, in the majority in atopic dermatitis, non-histaminergic nerve fibers, sensory C fibers, located in the epidermis. So the nerves themselves, they also react when they are activated. They release pruritogens like substance P or calcitonin gene-related peptides. And the neuropeptides themselves in the tissue also worsen the inflammation. So what happens next? We have a transmission of the itch signal outside the skin over the peripheral nerves via the spinal cord, the spinothalamic tract, to the brain. And there, in the somatosensory gyrus, itch is perceived, but also the cerebellum is activated to induce the scratch reflex. And we are here at the scratching. So scratching itself has also effects. It obviously damages the skin when you think about excoriations or bleedings. So we have scratch-induced skin damage. And this attracts inflammatory cells. Coming into the skin, they are again equipped with pruritogens, and this may worsen the inflammation of atopic dermatitis, and also the clinical picture of atopic dermatitis can worsen due to the scratching. So when this goes on and on, the nerve fibers come into the play. And what happens here? The anatomy of the nerve fibers changes. So we have neuronal plasticity. The nerve fibers, they sprout and they change their functional behavior. So they are sensitized towards the pruritogens in the skin. And at the end, we have clinical phenomena like allokinesis and hyperkinesis, which basically means that there is the possibility that mechanical stimuli like scratching can induce itching. And so you have here the full cascade of itch and scratching in atopic dermatitis.